Hello everyone. Welcome to the series of Touchpad. And today we are going to cover third chapter, which is Let's Do MS Paint. So here is just the exercise that we are able to see. The first one, identify the given shapes as 2D shapes or 3D shapes and write their name. Correct? So this is just the normal thing. Like this is just a triangle. So we can simply write triangle. The next one is the circle, as circle is also 2D shape. The next is cylindrical shape, or we can just write cylinder. And the last one is cube. CUBE cube. Next. So let us know about Paint. Paint 3D. So, with all the earlier version of Windows, Microsoft has included simple paint program which we are already familiar with, that is Paint 3D. And it is one of the good software because it engage students, children, they can create any of the sceneries or beautiful designs or many things. So to start Paint 3D, we just have to click on the start button and we must have to type Paint 3D, and the interface will be going to look like this, which are the components of Paint 3D windows. So we will be having a menu bar, and menu bar will be going to include the options like new, open, insert, save as. Options tool, it will be going to display options such as crop, magic, 3D view, mixed reality, and zoom slider. Next is the title bar. As the title bar shows the title, right? So it will be simply going to display the name of the program that we are working on. And it will be going to show on the top left corner of our page. Next is names toggle tool. It is an option for hiding or showing the tool name. It is just an optional. If we want to show our tool's name, then we can just check in. If we don't, then we can check off. Then we are having brush tool. It will be having variety of brushes, oil brushes or something and all. Then 3D shape tool so that we can create 3D shapes. So it will be going to open up the library and then we will be able to work with it. Then this white arena, it is called as canvas, and canvas is our main working area where we will be going to create the projects. Next, creating 2D shapes. 2D shapes, very easy. We are having already option 2D shape. And after clicking here, we will be going to see the variety of options. According to our choice, we can simply select. And after dragging, we can draw the object. And when you are done, we have to do commit. Because as we are able to see, three of the options are there, right? So let us know that what are these three options. So this is the option for rotate, and this is the option to which is used to display as check mark for completion of the shape. Suppose we are done with the shape, like I want circle of this size, so we can just check in and then it will be going to stamp over there. Then next is commit. Commit is used to display when we are doing the completion. Like in a stamp, as the name is suggesting, it will also going to do the copy, right? So it will be simply going to create the copy of the shape that we have created, and commit will be going to be the completion of the shape. So here is the 3D shapes. So for 3D shapes, we just need to click on this 3D option, and then we just want to select whatever the shape that we are liking, and then we can draw. We can also have the same handles over here, rotate, stamp, commit, right? So to rotate the shape using this rotation handle, we can see the 3D effects, because we know that 3D effects will be going to move around. Then we are having selecting a shape. We can select the shape according to ourselves. So we just need to click on it. So the panel will be going to change and display the tools option to edit shapes drawn. Like here we are having hexagon, pentagon, sphere, cylindrical, cone, etc. So we can drag the mouse over there and then we can select it all together. Here it is just a small activity interdisciplinary learning where we have to tick on that which type of shape it is. So the first one is cube, as the dice, it is dice. Next, cell, it is in the cylindrical shape. It is in the cone shape, the pizza or something. Then this is our sphere shape. Next, changing color of a shape. It is very easy to change the shape of the color that we have drawn. So first of all, we need to select the shape and then we will be going to click on edit color option. Inside the edit color option, we will be listed with many color options. We can select any of the color that we are liking and our work is done. After clicking on the plus button, we are done with the change in the color. Next is adding the text. We can also add text in MS Paint, right? In Paint 3D. So to add, we are having two options. We can also add 2D text or we can also add 3D text. So 2D will be going to look like this and 3D will be going to look like this, like rotational form, right? So let us see. First of all, we need to click on the text tool and then we need to select that whether we want to create in a 2D form or 3D form. After it, we can select the font, we can select the size, we can select bold, italic, underline, alignment and other things. And then simply we can click on the canvas to type the text in the text box as soon as we will be writing. So according to the colors or the font size that we have selected, it will be going to display on that same pattern. Next, double tap activity. Name the tool. It opens up color palette and brush options. So it is none other than brushes tool. Brushes tool, or we can simply write brushes. Next, it display the name of the program and the name of your drawing. So as we have already discussed, it is title bar. Title title and then bar, title bar. Next, it opens 3D library and options to draw 3D shapes that we have just seen here, which is none other than 3D shapes. After it, we have to save our document. So we can press Ctrl plus S, or we can also go on the menu bar. Then we can click on the save option and then we will be going to name our file and then simply click on the save button. Now, if you have saved your drawing, now it's time to open it. So to open the drawing, either we can press Ctrl plus O, which is the shortcut key, or we can again go on the menu option, then open, and then we will be able to see the listed projects that we have created. So this is done with our chapter. Now it's time for the exercise. Which of the following display the options such as new, open, insert, save, etc.? It is our menu bar. Which tool has an option for toggling the tool's name on or off? It is our name toggle option. Which of the following handles help you to rotate? As already the answer is written over here, rotate, right? On which bar is text tool present in Paint 3D? So it is present in menu bar. Fill in the blanks. Dash display the name of the program and name of your drawing. So it is our title bar. Title bar displays the name. Dash is the area where we can create or draw our shapes. So it is our canvas where we will be going to draw. It dash is also called as clone tool that create the copy of the shape. It is our stamp tool. And the last dash, the color in the shape can change by clicking on dash option. So it can be done with edit color option. So here we are with question answer that we will be going to do. So let's start. Here just The tool name we have to do in is scratch your brain. Like this is our square, this is cone, and this is 2D shapes. Okay. The next is Kiara wants to create an aquarium scene in Paint 3D. She wants to insert the object in the aquarium. So to insert the objects, we can definitely use the shapes. So she can take the shapes from the screen that are available. Anvi wants to draw 3D geometrical shapes. She isn't sure about the steps to draw, right? So let's help Anvi. So first of all, what she will be doing? She will be simply clicking on 3D shape tool. This will be the step number 1. Then she will be selecting the shape that which she is selecting. Suppose she has selected cube. So the third one will be drag the mouse to draw the cube and then click on commit. Fourth. Now our first question is name any three components of Paint 3D window. So the three components of Paint 3D windows are title bar, menu bar, canvas. Any other things are also there which you can write. What is the use of commit command? Commit command is used for completion of the shape and it is displayed by check mark. Answer number 3. What are the steps to draw 2D text? So the steps to draw 2D shapes are 2D text are to add 2D text are first of all, we have to click on the text tool, then click on the 2D text option, then click on the canvas and type the text in the text box. We can select font size, color, alignment also. Next, what are the steps to create 3D shapes? So the steps to create 3D shapes are, first of all, we have to click on the 3D shape tool, then click on the shapes to draw so that we can select the shape. Then click and drag the pointer to draw the shapes so that we can draw. We can also rotate the shape to see the 3D effects because 3D effect will be definitely going to show when we are rotating it. Correct? So hopefully this video helped you well to solve all the question answer and exercise of chapter number 3. Please do subscribe and follow for more.